do you think, buddy? Want to do a little ball? All right, we're going to do a little ball fetch here. This is just throw the ball, let him get it, but I'm not going to throw it again until he brings it to me and puts it in my hand. Yeah. What you think, huh? This thing is a little glow-in-the-dark ball, and it's really soft, so I don't end up denting the drywall when I throw this down the hall. Ready? Wait for him to bring it back. Good boy. Now I'm just putting my hand out. That's all. Just put my hand out, let him deliver it to hand. And once he delivers to hand, throw it again. Not commanding him to do it, not asking him to do it, just put my hand out. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Whoop, that was my fault. Damn ball's wet. He loves this game. Good boy. Just a fun game. You're a little over 6 months old. This is Black Blizzard's Atmospheric River. Calling River. He's also on day 2 of hold. So we're just beginning our force fetch. We've been introduced to water, other dogs, a little fun playing. Went through the Pat Nolan puppy program. That was fun. So he's coming a long way in a short amount of time, but this is just a fun in-house game. One reason I like doing it in-house is because he's got nowhere to go. He has to come right back to me. Good boy. Hey, good boy. Come here. Good dog. Good dog. Okay, good.